The night was long, my strength felt thin. Each step a fight, but I march within. Through doubts and storms, I hear a call. A whisper says, you'll conquer all. Comes, the body tires, but courage climbs through inner fires. Each setback fuels a brighter flame. With every beat out my name. Veins of lightning